Have you thought about things you want to do or get involved in to help the communities or people that you're noticing or things like that?
I mean, I'd rather do and not talk, because sometimes it feels like you're talking to make a point, just to see what a great person I am. I think there's definitely I can be a way nicer person on a daily basis and way more helpful, but I do whatever I can do and help however I can help, whether it's, for people, for animals, whatever I can do. But of course, I think I'm probably just not even scratching the surface. There's way more that I can do on a daily basis.
No, I appreciate that. I think all of us can and feel that way. And you're right. It's better to do and not talk. So I appreciate your humility in that way and keeping it that way. I was thinking about this idea, this concept you brought back from our conversation, which shows that you're a good listener and have a great memory, because the fact that you're recalling our conversation from like nearly a year ago now, if not 2 years. Maybe
a year ago.
A year ago now.
Now 2 years. So we're in 2025. Right? Correct. 2 years ago.
Right? It was 2023, no? Or not, maybe 2023.
23.
23. And so like this big
24.
baby. 24. Was it 24? Yeah, maybe
24.
It's 24. Maybe 24. It's 24. But this big baby idea, what parts of yourself do you think you're still babying, or that are still a baby in your own self emotionally?
Oh, I think I still experience, speaking just about movies and cinema, because I think when I watch a movie, I experience it like a child would, I'm not measured with my emotions or my responses. In fact, very often I'm like, if I'm watching whoever I'm watching, whether it's, Ranbir or my sister or something, I'm like, what's going to happen now? Why is she doing that? They're like, we did not make the movie. We don't know. But I'm like, I'm just so involved in it and I just need to know. So I'm like chatting through it. So I think in that way,
so Ranbir is like a silent watcher.
Ranbir is, he between the two of us is much better, vis-a-vis his cinema knowledge and movies, and he's way more diligent with it. In fact, a lot of my movie watching experiences is shared with him and because of him. Yeah, but like I'm like always, and then he's like, we'll find out. I don't know. Same with my sister. I'm like, Shine, why is this happening? And she's like, I don't know, Alia, I did not make it. So in that sense, I'm very physically involved. So I'm not like an adult watching a movie and all. I'm a child. I think still this would happen to me as a child, as a kid a lot, is that if I'm like exhausted, tired, I would just cry. And not realize why I'm crying. And I'm like, everything is horrible. And my mother would be like, darling, are you tired? Do you need, I said, I'm just, everything's a bit hard. So that happens to me when I'm tired. Even now, I'll suddenly like just start weeping about something completely random. Yeah. And it happened to me a couple of weeks ago, actually. I was with my friends and I just started crying about something not being right. And they're like, are you okay? And they're like, I'm just tired. I think I not had a good night's sleep. Yeah. So that happens to me a lot. I think also curiosity. I don't think my curiosity has left me. I can see that now, as when like with Raha and stuff, she always wants to know, but why doing that? Why is that? Who's that? Who's that person? Like, always wants to know everything. I want to know the conversation that's happening across the room between two people that I know, of course. And I'm like watching them speak and, like trying to read and then like lip read what they're saying to each other. And if I couldn't understand bits of it, then I just asked, what happened? Who said what? So the curiosity is still alive.
Yeah. Yeah. Radhi does it with people we don't know. We'll be at a restaurant. She'll be like, let's pretend we know what conversation they're having and let's have it.
I love doing that.
She loves doing that.
I love doing that.
I'm like, just talk to me, man. Like, she's like, no, this is more interesting. Let's do this. So I'm like, all right then.
Especially if somebody's having a fight, then you want to overhear even more.
Yeah. She's like, oh, what do you think they're talking about? Let's pretend to have their conversation. I'm like, I don't know what they're talking about. I know nothing about them.
Like, it's okay, whatever, healthy baby. That's all we want.
Of course. Yeah.
And then, that is the number one priority.
No, that is the number one priority. Yeah. You're right. A healthy child is the most important priority. But there's particular things, and Radhi is one of two girls, so she's kind of she's like okay with that. And so, but you had no preference. You were like kind of like whatever comes.
Yeah, I was like just health. That time I was just thinking about like health. Everything goes well, smoothly. But of course, I think she's really, like I said, even for my girl gang, they were like so excited. We're going, we have one, girls trips are now going to be so different. You know, my best friend, one of my best friends is getting married this year, and she's like, are you coming? She's like, yeah. She's like, I don't care if you're coming. I hope Raha's coming. I was like, yeah, Raha's coming.